A month ago, I made a video covering the YouTube channel known as Bodycam Declassified. This channel has blown up over the past few months, making fake bodycam arrest videos with inflammatory titles and content that they present as real to get millions of views. My video, as well as others, has caused the channel to panic and quickly make changes to cover their tracks, but they're continuing to make fake videos and presenting them as real. In this video, we'll go over their recent changes, I'll answer some questions people had about my first video, and I even reached out to the Miami Police Department, where these videos are filmed, to find out if what this channel is doing is actually legal or not. There have been several videos calling out this channel over the past month or so, and Bodycam Declassified has made subtle changes to make it appear their fake police videos are real, to try and hide what's really going on. Since my initial video on May 29th, Bodycam Declassified has uploaded a total of 10 new bodycam videos, and interestingly enough, 3 of those videos are real bodycam footage videos instead of the normal fake videos they upload. It seems like they are doing this to trick new people into thinking they are a legitimate bodycam channel, but if you spend 15 seconds watching their videos, it's clear by the Darman level acting which ones are actually fake. My personal favorite new video they uploaded is titled, "Crazy Karen Vandalizes and Shoots Tesla," which includes some of the worst sound effects and gun recoil acting I've ever seen in a video. While that particular video is quite funny, many of their other videos are still presenting cops as committing crimes, including the racially charged video titled, "Cop Arrests Black Mail Carrier in Rich Neighborhood," where a white cop arrests a lady doing her job for no reason other than her skin color.
Excuse me, ma'am. What do you think you're doing?
What do you mean?
Well, we've had 3 suspicious calls
Calls for what?
about a suspicious person approaching houses. 3 people in this neighborhood have reported it. You know anything about that?
I surely don't. I'm working.
You're working?
I'm mail.
And what is it that you're doing? What's your job?
I'm the mail carrier.
You're a government employee. Would you get that costume at Spirit Halloween store? All right, turn around. You're under arrest.
Sir!
Bag off.
You do understand that is a federal crime what you're doing.
Hands behind your back.
Oh, my Lord.
Again, this video is entirely fake and continues Bodycam Declassified's attempt to create Ragebait racially charged videos purely to get views and money off YouTube. To make matters worse, they even come up with a fake backstory that shows up at the end of the video, claiming the black mail carrier was suspended for 6 months without pay because she was arrested and didn't deliver the mail on her route that day. Aside from adding a few real bodycam videos into the mix to confuse people, Bodycam Declassified has made a few other changes to appear more real. They've started to film in different locations, instead of filming all of their videos in front of the same building, Miller Machinery and Supply Co., which I covered in the last video, and helped us discover all these videos were being filmed in Miami, Florida. They've also started to hire different actors to play the fake cops, since it was becoming laughable that it was always the same cop making the arrest in dozens of these videos.
Ma'am, you're over the line.
23 inches, okay.
23 inches over.
What if I back up now? Can you just,
I mean, you can do whatever you want. You're still getting a ticket.
I tell you, I have a feeling that kid isn't going to see you anymore.
Oh, I'm sure he won't.
No, I have a feeling he won't be seeing you.
Yeah.
Because you're under arrest. Turn around.
Wait, why? What, for doing? Why? I was doing what I was trained to do.
The biggest change they have made, and I think a clear example they know they may be doing something wrong, is they started to add a disclaimer that says, "This content is a dramatized reenactment. Any similarities to actual persons or event are purely coincidental." This disclaimer has been added to their most viral videos, like the one titled, "Cop Pulls Over Black Judge and Lives to Regret It." When I covered that video last month, there was no disclaimer in the description this was fake, and you can verify that by using the website Wayback Machine to see it was only added recently. They also aren't adding this disclaimer to any of their new fake videos, and seem to have only done this to the videos that went really viral. Either way, it was not there initially, and considering most people don't actually read a video's description, most people will still think this video is real. Many people left comments on my past video wondering if this type of content is actually legal to make, as it is illegal to impersonate a cop in real life, but this scenario is a bit different. I decided to reach out to the Miami Police Department to get their opinion, since this is where all these videos are filmed, and we'll get to their response after a word from today's sponsor. It's embarrassing to say, but I've been sleeping on the same mattress since I started college way back in 2009. Today's sponsor, NOLA Mattress, reached out and said they had a great bed upgrade for me they wanted me to try out. NOLA is an award-winning mattress brand known for its cooling technology, exceptional pressure relief, and long-lasting durability. They also conveniently ship to your door for free. NOLA has a number of different mattresses for different sleeping styles. I often sleep on my stomach or side and wanted a firm mattress to support my sleeping style, so I decided to go with the NOLA Evolution Firm model based on my needs. Once I ordered the product, I was a bit worried about getting a mattress up into my second floor apartment, but the bed was shipped vacuum sealed and rolled up in a box that was easy to get into my apartment. Once I got it into my room and removed my old bed, I plopped the NOLA bed onto the frame and cut open the plastic, which caused the mattress to roll out to its full size in just a few seconds. After placing my sheets on the new bed, it was ready to go, and I'm happy to say I slept like a baby the first night using it. NOLA mattresses include a 120-night sleep trial to test the mattress to make sure you love it, and they also offer a limited lifetime warranty and financial options and flexible payment plans as well. I've been using the mattress for a week now and noticed the mattress is much more comfortable than my old 16-year-old mattress was. I also feel I sleep a lot cooler, which has been great during the summer heat here in California. I love my NOLA mattress, and I think you will too. If you're looking to upgrade your sleep, head to nolamattress.com/ScottSchaefer and use code ScottSchaefer to get an extra $50 off your NOLA mattress. This is an additional discount on top of what is being offered on site, so check them out while you can. My name's Scott Schaefer. Just so you know, this call is being recorded. I just had a few questions for the Miami Police Department.
Yes, sir. How can I help you?
Sure. So I know that it's illegal to impersonate a cop in real life, but I'm just curious, if a YouTube channel was impersonating a cop and presenting these videos as real and putting them online and having the cops in the videos perform crimes, would something like that be illegal?
I would have to see the context of these videos, and we would have to determine if they are in fact impersonating police. You're saying that without a doubt, you know that they are not real police officers. They're just reenacting as if they were. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, so I've actually done an investigation on this. There's a channel called Bodycam Declassified. They're very successful. They've had a bunch of videos go viral that have gotten national news coverage, and all of these videos are being recorded in Miami, Florida, and they're presenting them as real cops that are, in many cases, committing crimes on camera. So there's one called "A Cop Pulls Over Black Judge and Lives to Regret It." It has 2.4 million views. There are thousands of comments of people upset saying this cop is doing horrible things, but it's not actually a real cop.
Okay, so like I mentioned previously, if there's a case where a victim calls police and says that someone is pulling her over and she doesn't think it's a real cop, then that's something different, where a police officer will respond to an investigation, and then that person will then in fact be charged with
right.
crime.
So that's not what they're doing. They're obviously, these are all recorded for YouTube. Everyone in the video is an actor, including the police officer and the person being pulled over, but they are presenting these videos as real on YouTube in order to get millions of views from them. So everyone watching them thinks they are real.
I see. Okay. Give me 1 second, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir. You there?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for holding. Okay, sir. Let me ask you. You're looking for a comment on behalf of our department on this matter, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so let's do this, because I will have to forward this request through my chain of command. I know you mentioned that it's a YouTube channel and they're posing as police officers, and they're all filmed within the Miami, Florida area, which that's a very... Miami is such a huge jurisdiction, so there's so many different municipalities within the Miami-Dade area, so there's different areas in which they're probably filming these videos, not solely one particular area. So this will have to be reviewed by my higher-ups. If you don't mind forwarding over all that information that you have, and we'll gladly take a look at it and see if there's anything we can provide on it, if there's any comment they would like to say, or if they are even aware of this matter.
Okay, and do you just want me to forward that to the Miami PD Public Information Office email?
Yes, you have that email?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Yes, if you can just forward it there, and then I'll just have to contact my supervisor on it and see if they've been made aware, see if there's any comment they'll like to provide at this time, that type of thing. I won't be able really to advise any further because I'm not sure exactly what it is that's in the video.
Okay.
Then we can take it from there.
Have you ever heard of like people impersonating cops online, and whether you know like if that's illegal or not?
No, I never heard of anything about someone impersonating police online. No, I haven't. I just know that we've had an incident before where someone was actually arrested, but it was completely different. It wasn't pertaining to a video. It was them actually putting police lights in their car, and they actually pulled someone over, and they investigated it and did in fact determine that he had been putting people over and acting as if he was a police officer. But that's, once again, something completely different than what you're telling me.
Okay, well, I'll go ahead and send over the information I have to the email.
Okay, and let me ask you this, because I'm curious. Do they write anything like in their description? Like, do they put anything like reenactment or not, like anything like that? Like any type of disclaimers?
No, there in the description of the video there are no disclaimers as to this being fake.
Wow, that's strange. Okay, thank you so much. We're going to review that email as soon as you send it.
All right, thank you. As you can see from that call, Miami police were unaware these videos were being filmed in their jurisdiction, and the public relations officer I talked to wasn't sure if presenting these videos as real police body cam footage online was legal or not. I forwarded over what I know about the channel, and if any updates come out, I'll be sure to let you know about it as well. Unfortunately, it seems that the fake body cam footage niche is only growing, as there are other channels that are now copying the success of Bodycam Declassified. One of these new channels is Body Camera Stories, which replicates the videos on the other channel, all with racial Ragebait videos between white cops and black citizens. Somehow the footage on this channel is even more unbelievable, with one of their most viral videos titled, "Man Bothered at His Job by Cop About Giving His ID, Teaches Cop Lesson."
Hey, what's up, man? Cool if I ask you a couple questions?
A man's just doing his job when an officer rolls up, asking for ID over some vague, suspicious activity. But under the Fourth Amendment and Terry v's Ohio, matching a vague description isn't enough.
The Dar Man level acting in that video can only be topped by the most obvious fake grocery store I've ever seen in my life. Another clear giveaway that these are fake is that the fake Axiom timestamp they use is exactly the same in most of their videos. Finally, I want to address several comments that I saw on my last video about this topic. Many people left comments claiming they didn't care that these videos were fake because cops do stuff like this all the time, or that they hate cops, so they are fine with these videos being faked. I think people that leave these type of comments are missing the point of why I did the video. I don't really care if you like cops or not, but making fake Ragebait videos designed to foster social and racial tensions, all because you just want to make money on YouTube, is an incredibly evil thing to do. Everyone has some sort of social or racial group they are a part of, and I assume that most people wouldn't want the people they cared about being trashed online with fake videos trying to make them look bad for views on YouTube. What if someone faked a video of a black man doing terrible things to a white person, or even a member of the LGBTQ community doing inappropriate things to a minor? If someone faked videos like that for views, I would have the same reaction, and I would think those videos need to be taken down off YouTube as well. This type of Ragebait content serves no purpose other than to enrich those who are deceiving others into believing these are real. Sadly, with AI content becoming hard to detect from reality, I honestly don't think this type of content is going to stop unless YouTube changes the rules to ban this type of fake Ragebait footage. Let me know in the comments below if you think this type of content should be on the platform or not.